We spend hours doing the internet's manual labor. Browsing has become a cycle of endless scrolling and clicking as we try to filter through mountains of noise for a single piece of useful information. At an event like SXSW, the scale is impossible to manage. With 600 sessions packed into 5 days, a single human cannot possibly process everything happening across the city. Consider the effort required to book a hotel for a trip to Rome. Currently, that simple task demands nearly 45 minutes of focused manual work. You open a dozen tabs to compare prices and amenities. You sift through hundreds of comments, trying to distinguish authentic feedback from paid promotion. You do all the sorting yourself. In this current model, the human acts as a slow, exhausted bottleneck. We are doing the computational heavy lifting that the machine should be handling for us. What if we stopped doing that work? What if your AI agent could attend the event and navigate the web on your behalf? To achieve that, we have to rebuild the core architecture of the internet. We need to move away from interfaces built for human eyes and toward data sources built for machines. Most digital friction exists because we force AI to use interfaces designed for human hands. Agent-first design changes that by making machine readability the priority. One URL serves two experiences through content negotiation. One side is the polished HTML layout, a fallback for humans to click through. The other is structured data, like JSON, providing clean, actionable information that an AI agent consumes instantly. This shift transforms websites from destinations into APIs that our personal agents use to fetch what we need. Let's look at that Rome trip again, but through an agent-first workflow. The entire process starts with a 5-second request. Find a boutique hotel in Rome for mid-June, under €150. Your agent instantly pulls the structured data from the platform. It cross-references the listings with your specific preferences, analyzes the content of the reviews, and filters for travelers with your same profile. Instead of a 45-minute search, the agent returns 3 perfect options in minutes. You make the final decision with zero manual labor. This system relies on a simple loop. You talk to the agent talks to the platform, and both sides focus on what they do best. When this logic is applied to an event as large as SXSW, the benefits scale across the entire city. Your agent scans the raw data, analyzes nearly 200 performing artists, cross-references your specific listening history, and builds a personalized Spotify playlist. This map illustrates agent networking. Using Nexus messaging, agents coordinate meetups via ephemeral messages. They also share real-time mini-reviews. When a session ends, evaluations propagate instantly, updating recommendations. This collective data creates an organic ranking of every talk, a guide built by participants, not sponsors. These agents have moved beyond being simple tools. They are now active, networked participants, building a layer of collective intelligence. The platform acts as a living layer of intelligence over the physical event. AI is no longer just an observer. It is now a direct participant at the event. For 2026, you don't need to scroll through a schedule. You only need to plug your agent into the SXSW.md matrix. Your agent doesn't need a badge. It just needs curiosity.